Hello everyone, this is lesson 77, last chapter in HSK 4, and let's start. First one for today is 收拾, to put in order, to tidy. Let's see. Please tidy up your room. 请把你的房间收拾干净。请 please. By it's like take your room. 把你的房间 take your room, or just you can say take your room, and 收拾干净 and tidy up very clean, or you can say please tidy up your room. So this one is Chinese way to say it. 请把你的房间收拾干净 clearly. We need to put our luggage in order to get ready to leave. 我们得收拾行李，准备出发了。So 我们得 we have to, they, this one is not the, it's they, another pronunciation. 我们得 we have to 收拾 you can say to tidy up, to put in order 行李 our luggage 行李 for what? 准备 to get ready, 准备 or to ready, 出发 to leave. So we need to put our luggage in order to get ready to leave, or for be ready to leave, or to get ready to leave. 我们得收拾行李，准备出发了。Let's like show change of situation. So before we don't need to leave. Now we're ready to leave, so you can say just change of situation. 出发了. Let's see next one. This one 收拾一下. Next one 小吃 little eat. So snacks 小吃. For snacks have multiple meanings, but this one is okay. The street has many stalls selling snacks. Stalls? Small open fronted shop in market. 这条街有很多卖小吃的摊位。Okay. Small place for selling. Booth, stall, pitch. So the street has many stalls selling snacks. 这条 measure word for street. 街，这条街有很多 has a lot of 卖 to sell 小吃的摊位。to sell small, which is small, stalls, this one, stalls, shops of snacks. So the street has many stalls selling snacks, or shop selling snacks. 这条街有很多卖小吃的摊位。Tan is like to fold. Way it's like a place, folding place. Working place. Okay. Next one. I like eating Beijing's specialty snacks. 我喜欢吃北京的特色小吃。This one, new word, 特色, specialty with some unique, you can say, feature, characteristic, signature, character. 我喜欢 I like, 我喜欢吃 I like to eat 北京的特色小吃 specialty snacks 特色小吃 Next one 烤鸭 cow it's to roast, yeah, it's a duck. So it's popular. Beijing roast duck is very famous dish. 北京烤鸭是很有名的菜，这个菜 like a dish，有名 有名 famous. So Beijing roast duck is a very famous dish. 北京烤鸭是很有名的菜。Next one, we ordered a portion of roast duck at the restaurant. 我们去餐厅点了一份烤鸭。我们去 we go to 餐厅 restaurant for what? And 点 is to order here, is to order. 点了一份烤鸭。份 it's just a measure word for portion, a portion of roast duck. 一份烤鸭。我们去餐厅点了一份烤鸭。Next one, gas station. 加油站。加 to add. 油 it's a oil. 站 is a station. 就 gas station. 加油站。There is a gas station next to the highway. 高速公路旁有一个加油站。So 高速 high speed. 高速公路 public road or just highway. 高速公路 highway. 旁 like 旁边 or just next to the 有 has 一个加油站 has a gas station. So there is a gas station next to the highway. 高速公路旁有一个加油站。The car is out of fuel. We need to go to the gas station. 车没有了。不是，车没有。Remember 没有 with another tone. This one 没 no, there is no 油 oil. So 车没有了。我们得 we have to. 我们得去 we have to go. 加油站 we need to go to the gas station. The car is out of fuel. 没有。车没油了。我们得去加油站。Next one is a highway. 高速公路。高速公路。高速公路。我去。这个路，对，这个路。高速公路。Taking the highway from here to the capital is very fast. 从这里走高速公路到首都很快。So, 从这里 from here 走 you can say taking highway 走去高速公路。taking the highway from here 到 to 首都 is the capital 北京首都很快 very fast. So taking the highway from here to the capital is very fast. 从这里走高速公路到首都很快。The traffic on the highway is very smooth. 高速公路上 so on the highway 交通 you can say traffic 交通很顺畅 is very smooth, no seamless, fluid, frictionless, streamlined, unimpeded, unhindered. 交通 traffic, transportation, communication, or also just congestion. The traffic on the highway is very smooth. 高速公路上的交通很顺畅。Next one, ganbei, to drink a toast or cheers. Gan, it's dry. Bei, it's a cup. So you can say we drink up to dry cup. Ganbei. Cheers to our friendship. 为我们的友谊干杯。为 like for 我们的友谊it's a friendship. So 为我们的友谊干杯。Cheers to our friendship. He raised his glass and said, "To your health." 他举起 to raise up. 他举起酒杯 a cup, a glass with a you can say glass, wine glass, right? 酒杯说干杯。So 他举起酒杯说干杯，干杯。So as you can see, it's to your health or cheers. Next one, 航班 scheduled flight number. Because 航 is a flight, ban it's already something. Board, ban it's like shift. So 航班 flight, airplane. Right. Flight number. My flight was delayed by an hour. 我的航班被推迟了1个小时。我的航班 my flight my 被 was you can say passive voice 推迟 to delay 推迟 was delayed postponed right adjourn push back hold off 我的航班被推迟了1个小时 for 1 hour 1个小时 but we don't say by an hour just say 1个小时我的航班被推迟了1个小时推 is like push 迟 is too late so push later please tell me your flight number please tell me your flight number 请告诉我 please say me 你的航班 your you can say flight 号 number so 航班号flight number or you can say I think we can say without how but with how is more how because how is a number so 你的航班号是多少 how much oh, please tell me your flight number let's see another variation please tell me what is your flight number is also could be this one 航班号 number of race number of flight number 航班次号 also could be 请告诉我你的航班号是多少 and last one 推迟 to suspend to defer to delay 推迟 the meeting was postponed due to the weather 会议因为 so meeting because of weather 会议因为天气原因推迟了 so the meeting because of weather reason 这个原因 a reason so 天气原因you can say weather reason or due to the weather 会议因为天气原因推迟了 was postponed 推迟了next one the exam has been suspended until next week as you can see we again used 被考试被推迟到下周 so the exam 考试被 was has been 推迟 suspended delayed 推迟到 up to until or you say up to 下周 next week so the exam has been suspended until the next week 考试被推迟到下周 so as you can see here we don't use 被 because we already use 因为天气原因because you can say 会议被推迟了因为什么什么 also could be 推迟 to suspend, to defer, to delay, mostly to delay, to postpone. So let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 收拾 to put in order, to tidy. Clean up, pack up, care, take care, tidy up, fix. 小吃 snacks, 小吃 snacks, tapas, appetizer, hors d'oeuvre. 烤鸭 roast duck. 加油站 gas station, or you can say petrol station, also filling station, fuel station. 高速公路 highway. 干杯 to drink, the toast, cheers. In English, also the same. 航班 flight number, scheduled flight. And last one, 推迟 to suspend, to defer. 推迟 to delay, to postpone. Also, we have one new idiom. She is meticulous in her obsession. This one is last time, right? 一丝不苟 meticulous 一丝不苟 一丝不苟 Today is a new one. To strike a stone with an egg. 一卵计时 This idiom means attempting something impossible, like an egg hitting a rock. Right. To attempt the impossible. 一卵计时 Because 以 with something, using something, 卵 egg, symbolizing weakness. 击 to strike, 石 stone.
卵
击 to strike, 石 stone representing strength. 一卵计时 challenging the big company is like striking a stone with an egg. 他挑战大公司 Well, you can say without 他 just as here. 挑战 to challenge, 大公司 big company. 简直 is like the same as, you can say simply, almost, really, absolutely. 简直是以卵计时 the same as 以卵计时他挑战大公司简直是以卵计时 This one 简直 is really interesting. Simply, just, literally, quite, really. 以卵计时 with egg, strike, stone. 一卵计时 and one new tongue twister. Last one is 哗哗哗哗 Today is the lamp tops stairs ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding, it's a lamp. Ding, it's a top. Ding, to stare. Ding, just a sound. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And see you next one.